Okay, I think we are live on LinkedIn and YouTube. Hi everyone, this is Aditya Sharma. I'm CEO and co-founder of High Counselor. If you can see me clearly, if you can hear me loud and clear, please let me know in the chat box. And in the meantime, I'll also double check on my end so I can see myself live on LinkedIn. One second, let me refresh my screen. And yes, I am live on LinkedIn. I can see it. And there are a few people online as well. Okay. Guys, you can please let me know in the chat box. Okay. Loud and clear. Zach, thanks for confirming. Appreciate it. I think there's some issue with LinkedIn. Not sure if it is. Okay. Seher, thanks for confirming. Okay. And guys, I have a bad throat today, so apologies for my voice. Da-da-da.
Hmm.
Amateur,
Hi Aditya, how are you?
good, good. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good. Hi everyone. Let me just use something.
Okay, so we are live on both YouTube as well as LinkedIn. Okay,
This looks good,
let's
right?
yeah.
Okay. Everything looks good. Okay. So, guys, if you can let us know what role you are targeting, guys, and from which location you are dialing in. I am dialing in from Toronto in Canada. What about you, Aditya? Where are you traveling right now?
I am currently in Indore, Madhya Pradesh.
Indore is
So
the cleanest city in India.
yes, and I could vouch for that. I was surprised last night when I landed here. In the entire journey from airport to my hotel, I mean, I could see it's like perfectly fantastic city.
No, no,
Very
absolutely. I visited Indore. Very, very good place. Very clean. And I still remember they used to have this shuttle bus system on the road. I don't know
okay.
whether these days it's work or not, but that was a dedicated lane for a bus, more like how we have in US and Canada, right? There is a dedicated lane which is where only bus runs at a very super
Oh,
fast speed from one destination to another.
nice. And another thing
Okay.
is it has a lot of different food, right?
Okay. I
Okay.
can see people joining in from Turkey. Oh, great. We have someone from Turkey today.
Uh,
Hi, Jules.
Hi,
Hi, how are you? Good to see
yeah.
you.
I think it's the first time we have people from Turkey.
First time we have seen someone from Turkey. Welcome to this
Ashutosh,
live session. And do let us know,
Ash-
Jules, that how you came to know about this session, because
yes,
that is very important. That how um, Ethiopia. Oh, yes. Helena is joining us from Ethiopia. Ethiopia also I've seen for the first time.
no, that's amazing. That's amazing, guys. I can see someone from Miami, Florida. So, guys, my permanent location is Miami, Florida. I'm currently traveling to Indore, Madhya Pradesh. So, definitely let's catch up when I'm there. I'll be back in on 8th of March. Okay, Pune, Prashant from Worcester, Massachusetts.
Okay.
Okay, let's. So I think we are good to get started.
Just before we can start, we can just let them know, guys, we are meeting a lot of people on one basis.
Hmm.
Yesterday also met 5 to 6 people, and all those sessions were super fruitful for those people. Um, I might see some of them here also. So once they are here, I'll definitely like to give them a shout out from my side. But I guess I can see, Aditya, that how much gap is there in terms of understanding of job hunt. uh,
Hmm.
Clearly people who are studying in second semester or in first semester, they exactly don't know how to network. They exactly don't know what is the role of personal branding. uh,
Hmm.
like these are the some of the things which I am explaining to them, some give some tips here and there. And I guess and that clearly shows that if people in very top universities also are lacking on this part, that
Hmm.
means we can just understand. how this bigger this problem could be at a college where the exposure could be very low.
Absolutely. So, guys, those who are joining us probably for the first time and don't have context about this. So, just a few weeks ago, Dr. Amit and I decided to connect with a few candidates every single week, especially those who are recent graduates currently studying and struggling for their job search. And we connect with you one on one, try to understand what challenges you're going through, and offer you a few solutions or advice absolutely for free. There's no charge for that. The way it helps us is it helps us understand the market, understand our user base, right, and create right solutions accordingly. So at the least, we can what we are offering candidates is like a free resume review, a LinkedIn profile review, as well as how to get interview calls through networking, right, and all those other advices. So we certainly cannot meet everyone, right, but we have decided to at least meet like 15 to 20 people on a weekly basis. So if you're also interested, I'm adding a Google form link in chat box for everyone. Uh, Please fill out this form, and one of our team member will reach out to you with our calendar link, and you will be able to schedule a time on our calendar. Okay. So fill this Google form. Let's see. The team member will reach out to you with our calendar link. So if you want to connect one on one with us just to discuss your job search challenges and get solutions for us, again, no cost for that. It's absolutely free, right? We will learn about the market, about your situation, and we'll create more solutions in the future. Right? So feel free to fill out this form. Okay,
I guess your
okay.
voice was breaking in between. I
What?
just repeat it. Guys, you can fill this form. This is for one-on-one session. So you can see this form over here. So you can fill this form and you can connect with us, and we'll try our level best to provide you some tips, some guidance at how you can network with people, how any issues, or our team can also help you out. We are also fixing some of people's our resume also, so I'll be happy to meet. Although it would be difficult to meet everyone, but I guess we are still meeting around 15 to 20 people on a weekly basis. Okay, is it's only for fresher or person who are going to for the domain change? Tarun, it can be very useful for both kind of people. If you are a fresher, that is also completely fine. If you're somebody is changing its domain, that is also fine. Somebody who's restarting his career can also be very important for them. Somebody who had a long break um, because of some family issues or something, so it can be useful for them also. So I guess this idea of project also is I guess it is very helpful in building your profile and showcasing your work to the employer rather than just because look at from this perspective that till the time we don't see somebody's work, it is very difficult to judge what kind of person or what kind of work he can do. So it is very
Mhm.
important that these projects can help you in showcasing your work in front of your employers, in front of your peer group, in providing you some good following on different social media platforms where people will be able to know that what kind of work you are doing at your own level. So I would suggest, highly recommend that you must be doing these projects, and these projects are completely free. We do not charge anything for it. Every week we start projects. Now we are also bringing in mentors from top companies. We had Ruchi from HP, we had Ananya from Microsoft last week, and Raj Shekhar from ServiceLink. So I guess a lot of people joining us already in this, and do follow us on Discord, guys. There is a you can see there is a barcode on this side, and on the other it's also on that side. You can use this, scan this code, and join um, the Discord community, okay,
Yeah.
where we are discussing internship opportunities, we are discussing about job market, we are taking all the technical queries from the project. So uh,
And
join.
and and good and good thing about the Discord community is that you will meet what 2,500 members are there in just 3 weeks. Other people who are going through the similar situation, some of the experts as well, right? So meeting and discussing with those people is always helpful. So guys, please join the Discord community. The QR code is there. I've also added the link. And as Dr. Amit was telling about great projects that or the mentors that we are onboarding, right? And so we have an amazing mentor lined up for March 2nd. If you have not signed up for her event, let me share the link with all of you. Please sign up. And she basically worked at McKinsey and Company as an AI leader for for a few years. And but more than that, what I was impressed with her capability, that she worked with Arizona State University for 5 years in their data science and IT department as a professor there and as a leader. And she ensured 100% placement of all data science candidates for straight 5 years, which is a record in itself. So her project is going to be live on this March 2nd. I'm adding a link here for everyone. Please sign up for March 2nd. If you have not signed up, we already have a lot of signups there. But if you have not signed up yet, please sign up. It's going to be an amazing learning for everyone. Okay, sign up for March 2nd. Okay, I think this is good. So Discord channel, Discord community, you're all good. Uh, you're all good with the upcoming next event as well. Guys, if you can let me know that you've got this link for this upcoming event with Usha, which is on March 2nd, the data science project. And if you have any questions, you need any clarifications for that, please let me know in the chat box. Okay, and then we can proceed with our today's project. Okay. Anyone in the comment box, please let me know. Okay. Okay, a few people have confirmed. Da-da-da. I can see a guy from Sambalpur as well. So we are actually conducting a recruitment drive in IIM Sambalpur this week. Okay, let's see. Can you send the link? I joined late. Could you please provide the link? Okay, let me add it here again. Okay. And guys, the easy way, let me tell you the easy way to find any of our upcoming project is you simply go to LinkedIn. So you go to LinkedIn, search for High Counselor, our page. Okay. When you search our page, go to High Counselor page, and then you'll find this option called events. Okay. So for example, you'll find this option called events, and here you'll find all the events. So I'm talking about March 2nd event, word sense, NLP, this one. Okay. So make sure to sign up for this particular event. WordSense NLP auto suggestion and prediction data live project. She's Usha, and what I told you about her journey. It's going to be an amazing project, and she's also creating a project with us on responsible AI, which is in huge demand with the employers. So will update you on that as well. Okay, Amit sir, you want to cover anything else, or we good to wrap to jump
We
into
are good. We
introduction?
are good. We can start the project. Yes.
Okay, so we have almost 250 people live with us. Let me share my screen. So we'll start with a quick introduction as always, and then we'll jump into projects. So let me share my screen. And before that, let me. Okay, Amit sir, can you see my screen now?
Yes. It's scrolling up.
Amit sir, can you see my screen?
It's scrolling up. Right now, I'm not. Yeah. Now I can see.
Now you can see.
Now I
Okay,
can see that.
so thanks everyone. Okay, thanks everyone for joining us for this real world live project. Those who are repeat users, thanks for coming again. Those who are first time users, let me give you a brief overview on why we do this. So, a lot of candidates who are either entry level, transitioning in their career, looking for a better job, or who are coming to work after a career break, right? They struggle to land a job because of not having hands on work experience. Our employers need hands-on industry experience, right? People who are job ready, who can join them, deliver at the fastest pace. To fill out this gap and to help all these people, we strongly believe that if we can provide you hands-on work experience so that you actually know how to implement the technical skills that you have learned, right? It can be SQL, Python, it can be data cleaning, it can be advanced Excel, Tableau, building AI models. All of these require hands-on experience. That's where we started this live project journey all a few months back, and we got a great response. As you all can see, we are almost 250 people live right now, and total, I think 750 plus people have registered for it. This journey started with just a few candidates joining us, probably 3 to 5 people on live calls. So in the next 1 week, we are going to do this one project on smartphone sales analysis with you guys. In this next 1 week, we'll help you with all the questions, queries that you come up with. For that, we have the Discord channel, as I told you, right? So any questions we'll be answering over there. And at the end of 1 week, our objective is that you learn something out of it. You are able to do this complete project, add it to your resume, add it to your LinkedIn, and will provide you a portfolio that you can share with your recruiters and hiring managers. Okay. So that is the high level overview of it. We'll jump into this project detail just in a few minutes. Okay. Before that, let's do a brief introduction. Amit sir, would you like to go ahead first?
Okay, so let me introduce myself. My name is Dr. Amit, and I'm head of business operations at High Counselor. I did my bachelor's into computer science. After this, I did my MBA program in marketing and human resources. I did my PhD program in marketing research. And me and Aditya were in the same college. When I was doing my PhD, he was doing his BTech program. And I was also an alumni of Research Summer School at IMA. After this, I started working with corporate sector. I started working with Wipro, Reliance, ICICI Bank. I spent more than 10 years in a university teaching, where I taught to undergraduate and postgraduate students. I have a YouTube channel with the same name, and you can follow me there. Good following, over 100K over there.
Okay. Regarding my background, guys, I did my BTech from NIT Jalandhar, the same college where Dr. Amit completed his PhD. After that, I came to US in 2015 to pursue my masters. Then, after completing my masters, landed my first job at PricewaterhouseCoopers as a Salesforce consultant. Worked there for about a year, but Chicago was super cold, so I decided to move to San Francisco with Deloitte Consulting. Worked with Deloitte for about 3 years, and during my time at Deloitte, I implemented cloud solutions for them, primarily for Facebook, Amgen, and Disney. Worked with a lot of universities, hired software developers, data scientists, and Salesforce consultant for Deloitte. And during this time, I gained interest in career counseling, mentorship, helping people find their dream career, this particular domain. And that's where I left my job in 2020 from Deloitte to start High Counselor. Uh, it's been a great journey. So those of you who have this spirit of entrepreneurship, and probably you want to pursue sometime in the future, feel free to always reach out to me, especially if you're in the US and you want to start a company. Always feel free to reach out to me, because the visa play a very, very big role, right? And it took me a few years to figure out how to exactly uh, start a company in the US as an immigrant, how to raise funds from top VCs in Silicon Valley. So yeah, feel free to always reach out to me on LinkedIn, and more than happy to share the information. So yes, we started High Counselor in 2020, and the journey that just started with two of us, myself and my co-founder Rani Haroon, who's MBA from Kellogg School. We I mean, we have grown to about 40 full-time team members at High Counselor, and we have raised almost $2.1 million from different VCs, angel investors, and edtech entrepreneurs in Silicon Valley. And in this journey, the most proud part is that we have helped more than 600 people find a full-time job in the US. Okay. And getting into the initial reason why we started High Counselor, as I said, that we noticed that people who struggle to land a job, there were three major reasons behind that. The first one was that they lack hands-on work experience, for which we are here today. Second reason is that people lack interview opportunities. They do not know how to get interview calls, right? And third one is people are, even when they land interview calls, they are unable to crack those interviews, right? Because there is a big gap between the skills that they have learned and what industry demands, or they don't understand the problem, the business solution statement of it. Okay. To solve all these three problems, we launched High Counselor. And when we launched High Counselor, our objective was never to create a staffing company or a consultancy. Our objective was to create a 360-degree ecosystem that can help people with upskilling. That means learning this skill, providing them one-on-one access to mentors. So we provide connect you with people who are working at as a software engineer at like Google, Facebook, Amazon, in your dream companies. We provide you experience using internship and the real world projects, help you fix your LinkedIn, your resume, and then also help you get more interview calls by matching you to the right jobs, speeding up your job application, and helping you network better to get referrals. So this is like an end-to-end ecosystem that we created. And in this journey, as I said, we are based out of Silicon Valley, in Sunnyvale to be exact, Plug and Play Tech Center. And 600 people that we have helped so far find a job in the US. These people have come from 120 different university. It also includes people who are transitioning in their career. For example, those who are like testers and wanted to become a data analyst or data scientist, right? People who are returning after career back break, like moms returning to work, right? After a few years. So, and they've landed a job at about 200 different employers. Roles that we support. So, any type of software engineering role, be it front end, back end, full stack, DevOps, we support all these roles. Any type of data science roles like data analyst, data scientist, data engineer, business analyst, AI engineer, NLP, we support all these roles. Salesforce, sales is one of our most recent track, as well as product management. So, if you're looking for a job in the US in any of these tracks, we should be able to help you out. Okay. Finally, pricing. So we work on success-based pricing. That means there is no upfront payment. It's absolutely $0. You only pay once you land a job in monthly installments, right? So it makes it easy for you to join, easy for you to pay us back. If you don't land a job, you don't pay us anything. There are two different packages. One is a starter package, which is $10,000, and another one is advanced package, which is $15,000. Okay. The first week of our program is absolutely free, and then you get into the program. The difference between starter and advanced is basically in advanced we provide you a lot of one-on-one support, right? Unlimited mentorship, as well as our team help you applying to more jobs so that you don't spend anything over there. We provide you tools to network faster with people, help you get remote internship opportunity if needed, and we provide you a layoff support as well as priority access to our job fair and other events. Uh, the way we include candidates in High Counselor is that you need to fill out the application. Based on your application, we'll schedule a one-on-one interview call with you. If we see you a right fit for our program, then only we accept you. Otherwise, we won't accept you. Okay. And the process is pretty simple. You simply go to our website, click on this apply to upcoming cohort, fill out this application by clicking on start application button, fill out this application, and our team will reach out to you within 24 to 48 hours for a one-on-one interview call. Okay. And based on this interview, we'll accept or reject you for a high counselor program. Okay. And once we accept you, there is no upfront payment. It's absolutely $0. Okay. Cool. So let's jump into today's project details. So, as I said, the objective of this live project is to give you real hands on work experience so that you become way more confident in your full time job search. And you can add this resume on your LinkedIn, as well as you can talk about it during your interviews as well. Today's project, as we say, it's smartphone sales analysis from data cleanup to complex SQL interrogation. This project is aimed at analyzing smartphone sales trend using Python and SQL. It employs Python for refining the data set, tracking null values, duplicates. So basically, you'll be first cleaning the data, and following this, SQL will be utilized to execute complex queries. So you'll be getting business problems, and you'll need to utilize SQL to find the insights out of it. Okay. Through the synergy of the Python's data cleaning capability and SQL's analytical power, this project offers valuable insights into smartphone sales trend, empowering businesses to make informed decision. Right. So you can talk about this specific business use case in your interviews as well. This project is divided into two parts. First is the data cleanup with Python, and second one is writing SQL queries. And the top three position holder of this particular project will be featured in Times Square, New York. Okay. If you get featured, I think you can talk about it, you can mention it on your LinkedIn profile, and that will give you a huge edge when you will be interviewing with any company. And I think it's a great moment of proud. Some of the our previous winners are these ones. And let's see who gets in the top three rank this time. Dr. Amit, would you like to give a quick overview of the project?
Yeah, let me
Okay.
just open it and then I'll share my screen. Okay, so once you see my screen, do let me know. Do you see my screen now?
Yes, I can see
Wow.
it.
Okay, so let me explain you how you can start this project. It's a very simple process. Go to our homepage, that is highcounselor.com. Click on projects, and then you will be able to see all the projects over here. So, started, not started. This one. Which, why this not started?
You need to search for, click on choose project, click on
Choose, choose
filter
project.
bar. The
Okay.
first
Okay,
is
okay,
for
got it.
smart.
This one,
Uh,
the snapshot
the
one.
second, no, the second one, smartphone sales analysis
Oh,
is our
smartphone
project.
sales analysis. Okay.
Yep.
Earlier it was coming on the top. Okay, I got it. Okay, so guys, you can come to this project section, and then you can see over here. You can choose the project which we are doing right now, which is the smartphone sales analysis, and then after this you can go to sandbox. But once you let me just show you that how you can go over there. Okay, so let me just start the process again. Let me go to projects, choose the project which we are doing right now, smartphone, and then we go to sandbox. Once you click on sandbox, it will ask for your sign in. So if you have your account, click on write your fill in your details. Otherwise, if you don't have your account, click on create an account, fill in your basic details and create your account. You'll get your login credentials. Then you can click on sign in. So I have my account over here. I'll log into it, and you can see now the project we can start. Okay, so you can simply choose the project which we are doing right now and go to sandbox. This one, you can see the go to sandbox. Click on go to sandbox, and now you can click on plus button. You can add this project to choose the template, and you can see the project starts loading. Okay, so it's a three-step process. I repeat again, go to highcounselor.com, click on project, then choose the project which we are doing right now. If you have your account, sign in. If you don't have an account, sign up. Then you can click on go to sandbox, click on the plus button, and then you can add the project over here. Okay, it will just take 2 minutes. And kindly let me know in the comment section if the process is clear or not. Okay, do let me know till the time it gets loaded. And guys, this is a competition, so you will be able to see the leaderboard. You will be able to see the real time feed of who are the participants who are completing which task. And to be on the leaderboard, there are three things which are important. First, you should be accurate, your time should be very efficient, and third, very important, is to search, right, to invite people, right? That is very very important, that you should be inviting more people to the platform, and then only. Okay, so now you can click on open sandbox. Okay, now you can see the leaderboard, you can see the live feed, you can see your Jupyter notebook loading over here, you can see all your tasks, 1 1 1 2 1 3, module 1, module 2. In this way you can see all your tasks. Okay, and you can if you want to invite people, you can click on this button which is on the right hand side on the top. Click on this, you can invite people by their email IDs. You can copy this link or post it on different platforms so that people start doing it. And basically the purpose is to build the community, and like we are not charging from anyone, so they can also join from any location. And apart from this, if you face any issue from this platform or technical problem, you can click on this report the feedback. So you can write your feedback, you can add your screenshots over here. Okay, um, That's it, I guess. Anything else I'm missing? You can also use this LinkedIn option, I guess.
Yep.
Is it take a tour of the platform that is different? Is the LinkedIn option there? We have changed somewhere.
Yeah, no, you need to scroll up. Scroll up
Scroll
on the
up.
left side. No, on the left hand side of this. I can show it on my screen really quick.
Okay, I guess. Oh, okay. But this is not the expanding one. Okay, you can show it. I don't know why
Yeah.
it is not coming up on my screen.
Mhm.
Maybe
I
that
can.
layout percentage could be one of the issues.
Yes, yes. So guys, let me share my screen. There are two more things that me let me show you.
What
So
else is, do you have to be the member to do this project? No, 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 no. It's completely free. You can do it. There is no membership as
yeah.
such, membership issues. Okay.
Okay. So as Dr. Amit was mentioning, guys, we have given you one option here. So once you're in your sandbox, right? We created this sandbox so that you don't have to do a local setup on your system. You create the project end to end in the cloud environment. But uh, one thing that we have noticed that people do not use LinkedIn in the right way to search for a job. Most of the people, the way they use LinkedIn is they simply go to LinkedIn, search for the job role that they are looking for, a data analyst, and then they blindly start applying to jobs, right? Or they just network with people who are in data analyst job role and connect with them on LinkedIn, asking them for referrals. So the second option is not a bad option at all, but there is a better way to use LinkedIn. On LinkedIn, you must talk about what you are doing and build a genuine following. Okay, so if you don't tell people what you're doing and what you're good at, opportunities won't come to your way. And I started doing this probably 8 9 months ago, and you can see right now I have about 118,000 followers. It's not just about numbers, but I have built a community in which now opportunities come to my way. Smart people come to collaborate with us, right? The same thing is true for anyone who's searching for a job. If you're searching for a job, we would highly recommend you to post on LinkedIn on a regular basis. When you post on LinkedIn on a regular basis, people come to know about what you're working, what your expertise is, and you never know, one day your post gets in front of recruiters and hiring manager, they reach out to you for opportunities. We have a lot of examples for where people build their personal brand on LinkedIn and got access to amazing opportunities. To make this simple thing simple for you, we have created a button over here called LinkedIn Post. Okay, simply click on this button and you will get sample templates that you can directly use on LinkedIn, telling that, hey, I've started working on this particular project and I'll be utilizing these technologies. Or I'm working on this particular project and I'm facing XYZ challenges. So feel free to utilize this tab to post on your LinkedIn. So that is one thing. Another important feature that we recently launched is your portfolio. On the left hand side, you may be able to see an option called view your portfolio. In this portfolio option, so let me log in into one of the accounts. Basically, this portfolio option will allow you to show all the projects that you have done in a very smart manner to recruiters and hiring managers, where you can say that, hey, I may have 0 years of experience, but still look at the projects that I have done. So when you complete this particular project, this project will be added to your portfolio. So simply go to view your portfolio on the left hand side, and you will get your portfolio like this, where it will show how many projects you have done, what skills you have earned. It's not the skills that you can write by yourself, but they come from the projects that you have done. Okay, and you can share this portfolio page on your LinkedIn profile, on your resume, or with directly with recruiters and hiring managers. So make sure to best utilize this portfolio option which we have created for you. Okay, let's take any questions that you may have, guys. Today we have a little bit restriction on time, so we will be answering any questions you may have for the next 10 minutes. Okay, uh, so please put your question in the chat box and we'll be more than happy to answer your questions. And just one final reminder, as I can see one question, our next cohort at High Counselor is starting on March 11th and we are accepting applications. So you can go to highcounselor.com/apply to fill in your application and we'll reach out to you for the next cohort. for a one-on-one interview call. Okay.
Rishi and Yusuf, you were asking about the process. I have posted in the comment. You can see, go to highcounselor.com, click on project, then choose the project, sign in, sign up, click on and go to sandbox, click on the plus sign, and you can start your project. Very simple process. Just follow this. Okay.
Yep.
After opening sandbox, what you need to do? You need to code. Very simple. Once your Jupyter is loaded, and you can see your task and you start your project. Very simple. Okay. So, guys, any questions? We'll be happy to answer your questions. And I hope those who want to connect with us one on one, do join our Discord community. We'll be posting that link over there also, so you can join us through that link on one as well.
Yep.
Okay. Any questions, guys? Is the process clear? Did you understood the project? Um,
Yes, guys, please let us know. Comment in the chat box whether you're absolutely clear about the process. If you have any questions, feel free to let us know. We are here to answer your questions. Okay.
are you able to see the questions? I can see the sandbox is showing the Jupyter notebook shrinked. Is this like a comment over there, or what is the issue? Because right
Not
now
sure.
only I started the project and it was working fine. Even right now I can see it on my screen. Even I can see the Ashutosh has just completed task 1.1. Krupal has already completed task 1.3. So I can see a lot of people have already started doing the project. There is no issues at all. Kindly,
Mhm.
if guys, if you want to see the recording of this video, it will be available on our YouTube channel. So go to aditya.highcounselor YouTube channel. In the live section, you will find this video. Okay.
Yeah, or also
Discord
our high
link.
counselor.
Yeah, go ahead. I'll take the another question.
Yeah. So, okay, Discord link, guys. As you can
Scan the
see,
QR code here. You can see there is a QR code over here. Just scan this
yep,
and you can join.
you can scan this one. Join Discord community. Okay, there's a question. How do I share this project on LinkedIn or else when completed? So, as I said, you can utilize our portfolio option when you go to highcounselor.com/projects. On the left hand side, you will get an option called View My Portfolio. Click on that View Your Portfolio. You will get a URL, and that URL is your portfolio URL. You can share it with anyone and everyone. You can share that on your LinkedIn. You can share it on your resume as well. Okay. Okay, do we click code sandbox after? Uh, okay,
And
I think it's a little bit unclear. Let me give a quick demo of it again. Okay,
in
so
the
guys, all you
meanwhile,
need.
I can see one question. We cannot join the community after 11 March? No. Your 11th March is our next cohort batch, which is going to start, right? So it is not about Discord community or project. This project is valid for next 7 days. So if you want to get complete, you want to be part of competition and you want to complete the project and get your certificate, you have to complete within next 7 days.
Mhm. Yep.
Okay.
As let guys, let me give you again a quick overview on how you can start project and how you need to add use sandbox. So simply go to highcounselor.com. Go to this option called projects at the top. Okay. When you're here, use this option to search for the project that we are working on today. This particular option, choose project. Search for today's sales, smartphone sales analysis, right? So just search for like smartphone or sales and you'll get this particular project. Choose this project, then click on go to sandbox. Click on go to sandbox and you are here. If you're a first time user, you need to click on this particular link, new from template. Okay, this one over here, click this one and click on open sandbox. Okay, and this will open your Jupyter notebook. On the left hand side, look, I've completed the entire project, that's why it's showing this to me. But click on this, you'll get a task, write your code, click on run test over here, you'll get the test result and you'll move on to the next task. As you can see over here, I've completed all the tasks. Okay, and in the leaderboard you'll be able to see your rank over here. Okay, so I'll remove my credentials so that I don't rank on the number one, but that's how you can start. Okay, I guess any other question, Dr. Amit, that we have in
I guess
chat?
it's saying that loading Jupyter Notebook and it's been 5 minutes. Uday, if you can just restart your browser and restart again, and if still you faces that issue, you can just take the screenshot and report the bug, or you can post it on Discord community. Our technical team will look into it. Don't worry. Can you provide your support to India? I hope so very soon. Right now, we don't offer it, but you can definitely consider our internship program because that is our global product, and anybody can land internship through that. The job service or the job assistance, we are not providing it right now in except US. We are not providing it anywhere else. Okay, I don't see any further questions. You're on mute.
Okay, no further questions. That's fine. So I think it's pretty clear to everyone. Let me also double check on my end. So got it. Thank you, team. Thank you, Sumit. Uday says it's working. Thanks, Uday, for confirming. Suvit says, can you please this? We have already taken. Okay, guys. So we'll work on this for the next 1 week, and we'll see how it turns out. And
And I guess here is a shout out by Sahar to our team. Chirag,
thank
Kavi, Manju, Abhilasha for their software project, their invaluable support for doubt clearing sessions, and active presence on Discord. So, guys, I guess a lot of people are getting benefited out of it. You can also be a part of this Discord community, as well as you can do a lot of projects. And I guess this will help you in your job search process.
Mhm.
Okay, and those who missed this session, who were late to join it, you can watch the video on YouTube in the live section. Channel name is Aditya High Counselor.
Or on
Okay,
our or
or on LinkedIn also, right? They can watch it on LinkedIn also.
yes, absolutely. Okay, thanks everyone for joining
Okay,
us.
guys, thank you so much. Guys, today we are in a hurry, but we'll be meeting soon, very soon. Take care.
Yep. And guys, do join a project on March 2nd, right? Which is with Usha. If you're not
Yep.
sure, go to High Counselor LinkedIn page, go to events, and you'll find a project for March 2nd. It is going to be an amazing project.
Yes.
Okay, thanks everyone. Bye.
Bye bye.